Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to eat sardines with calamansi. Okay, it's bang. And guys, we already prayed and let's put it.
Nice.
Let's see it.
Tasty.
Okay guys, let's put the calamansi there. And also
You want
the rice.
Five minutes later.
Okay guys, and some sardines there. And let's eat.
Okay.
Kaya, bukat mo sa dalam yung kanin.
Okay guys. Okay guys. Okay, let's put the sauce and the rice. By the way guys, I'm in my grandpa's and grandma's house.
We're here all together having our lunch.
Yep. Now let's eat. Look at that. Look at that.
We have
Sardines.
sinabawang corned beef.
Yes.
Sige,
Soup
kakanin mo
corn.
ha.
And go.
Wala bang may litid?
Kakanin yung ano. Tayo.
Ay, talagang nadurog siya.
Hindi, yung sandok lang.
Ayun. Wow, sarap. Beef talaga. Oh boy, sarap. Ano yung sabaw? Sarap. Ako. Okay. Ay, sarap. Ang daya talaga. Good. Okay, later.
Okay guys, just try to get some water. Okay.
Papunta ba sila sa swimming? Meron ba sila ate ng party?
Massage sila.
No?
Massage.
Si mami at saka si daddy.
Yes.
Okay. Hindi ba nang dadaya?
Laro niya po. So good. Try to get some more rice. Rice. Yes. Some more sardines. If you do not go nice, guys, sardines is a canned food. And sardines with tomato sauce. They are
Sardine is good for our health.
Yes.
Okay.
There's spicy ones and regular ones.
It's good for the heart.
Yes.
It has omega. Omega good for the heart. Omega 3.
that's really good for the heart.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't do that.
That's more it. You do not know it?
Yes.
Yes, I do. You did not get it? Yes, I did. This is more delicious. This is duck meat.
Okay guys, thank you guys so
Tasty.
much for watching this video guys. Smash that like button guys. Subscribe to Mateo Chigoba.
Galing.